Good day, everyone. Learn how to make Google Forms in desktop. So I will quickly open the browser and open google.com, and I will also log in. So once you're logged in, just beside to the profile icon, you will have this Google Apps and then look for Google Forms. So you will find this purple icon and we will click on Forms, and then you will find start a new form and template gallery. If you want a quick form creation for contact or party invitation, you can go with the templates we already have. For an example, contact information like this. Or if you want to make a quiz, so here the contact information, you can mention the things here, you can edit it, you can mention the name, you can always change it. You want it the short answer or you want the paragraph, right? You want the checkbox or you want the multiple choice, right? You can do that. So I'll go back, we will create a new form and we will make a quiz on that. So let's say if I'm making a quiz, so I'll just mention uh, quiz, just a test. Now form description, uh, class 2 quiz, like this. And here we have this option and we can simply click on add a question. So firstly, we will select um, what is the color of sky. So here we can make it the multiple choice and we can add the option like this. Add option 1, I'll mention red, and then I'll mention, you can also delete whatever you want to, like this. And if you want it required, like without filling this, this should not be submitted. So you can also try that. So this is a quiz. If you want the multiple choice, you can go with that as well. Right. And once you are done with the quiz, go to the responses. You can link to sheets where you can get the answer, get email notification for new responses. So you can link to sheets and you can also select get emails from for new responses and select destination for responses. So select a destination where you can create a, so you can select a existing or create a new spreadsheet and you can mention the name and you will get the responses to that particular sheet. Whenever you will open the Google Sheets, it will be right there. And then you can make this a quiz like this, and how you want it. Immediately after each, make this quiz. Release grades. So you want it immediately or later after manual review. You can try that. Responded settings, you can check that. And here we already have manage how responses are collected and protected. So send responders a copy of their response. If you want, you can do that. Allow response editing, right? And form defaults, you can select that. I mean, you just have to spend few time and you just need to publish, and then you can copy the responder link and you can also send through this add people and send it there. The best one is just copy the link. After publish, let's say if I'm publishing it, and now we have got the copy responder, we will simply select that. If you want to shorten the URL, you can select that like this. You can copy and send it to one. So you just need to spend few more minutes, I would say 30 minutes in this Google Forms, and I'm sure you will be able to make contact forms, quiz, and a lot of other stuff. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.